We already, nigga.
I'm going in still. Don't matter.
I'm going in. Oh.
Yo, I'ma do it real. I'ma do it for my realest niggas in the game right now. Hustling, flowing. I'ma go hard, give my love out to all my niggas real like this. She was the realest bitch around. Had this bitch stunting all day, nigga, on the fucking grind. Nigga, I'm busy king, been a little diamond ass nigga, always had to fly pictures. Niggas wanted to talk, my niggas in the game doing it for real. Popping niggas, shooting niggas, yeah, we got bodies, niggas. Got so many bodies, it's pathetic for these niggas.
Oh, someone gotta go in.
You want me to go? Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay.
Yeah, but I hold this shit.
Yeah, I'm just fucking up.
I'm glad.
Yeah. You gotta know what it is, shorty. You be my girl for too long. Understand? This is for real.
Oh, we're talking about females? Alright,
Yeah. Yeah, I like my shorties. I'd rather die shorty. Understand this is part. This is my piece. She's real. She's real. She's real. Yeah. Understand this is another chapter. Showed you my shorty's nice and sexy. Put you out for your miseries. Try me. Understand my homies coming out like an army team. One man team coming out for the Beamtown. Got the baddest girl in the Beamtown. See me now. Understand you niggas is straight clowns. You ain't bringing it with the baddest shorties, biggest booty, biggest tits. Understand my words is ripping this. I can cook this shit. Niggas ain't my championship or my heavyweight. Niggas ain't even on my level. I just ripped it. I told you I got the baddest shorty, nigga. I just scripted it. Who's a rider who can pull the guns and half of niggas bleeding, dropping out their guts, nigga. You can see me seeking for the words. Why these niggas be baking? You laughing at my words, nigga. Yes, you be saying. I wish I was like Reese. I wish I had a chick like he did. The words is coming out from face to face, man to man.
It's real, yeah.
And I say I ain't touch you for a second. I squeeze it, I can tell how it feel.
I'm going in on these birds, nigga. Hold up.
She bad, so maybe she won't.
Shorty.
Maybe she will. Yeah. Do it
Nigga, what? And nigga, hold up.
Yeah.
Oh my god, man.
The realest killers in the freaking game right now. She will. Maybe for the money and the power and the fame right now.
Nigga talking about birds too? Oh no.
Do it for the realest killers in the freaking game right now. She will.
Okay. Yeah. I find it funny how females fucking nag. Yeah, the fuck, nigga.
It's real.
Start over.
It's about to go off.
Go right there. Nope. Go right there.
I'm going in after you, Q, again.
Right.
I'm going ham this time.
Alright, right there. I find it funny how fucking one.